Welcome to FX Education Point. Today, English Grammar Lesson 5. Students, today I am going to teach about simple past tense. At first, structure. Subject plus V2 plus object. Students, it does not require to change verb form according to subject. Any subject you can write V2 form of main verb. At first, use of simple past tense. For 1. Complete action without effect, such as she wrote a letter.
उनी चिठी लेखिन्.
He respected me.
उसले मलाई सम्मान गर्यो.
Students, दुवै वाक्यमा V2 प्रयोग गरिएको छ, त्यसैले यो सिम्पल पास्ट टेन्स हो.
दुवै सेन्टेन्समा एडभर्ब नभए तापनि भर्बको फर्मले सेन्स दिन्छ.
यस किसिमको सेन्टेन्स दैनिकी तथा पास्ट एक्सपिरियन्स लेख्नको लागि प्रयोग गरिन्छ. नम्बर 2. पास्ट एडभर्ब्स such as ago, yesterday, just now, past date. They came here 2 days ago.
उनीहरू 2 दिन अघि आए.
Due to ago, simple past tense used. Next example, I went to a hospital yesterday.
म हिजो अस्पताल गए.
Students, yesterday is here, past time adverb, so we should use simple past tense in this sentence. Next example, she revealed reality just now.
ती अहिले भर्खरै वास्तविकता खोलिन्.
Because of just now, this sentence should be used simple past tense.
Students, next example, past date.
She passed ACE in 2074.
Students, 2074 is past date, so here use simple past tense. Students, last plus time adverb like day, week, month, year, etc.
Such as Rabina consulted me last week.
Students, yes, the last week is time adverb, so this sentence is used as a simple past tense.
Next example, Suman opened a new business last week.
Last week is time adverb for simple past tense, so this sentence should be used simple past tense.
Number 4. Action with effect. Structure when plus subject plus V2 plus object plus subject plus V2 plus object. यसमा दुईटा क्लाउज हुन्छ, एउटाले एक्सन र अर्कोले इफेक्ट जनाउँछ.
Such as when he pressed the brakes, the vehicle stopped. Next example, when he switched on the bulbs, it glowed.
Both of sentences showed action at first clause and effect on second clause.
Number 5. Overlapping action. एउटा काम गर्दा त्यही समयमा अर्को काम चाहिँ भइरहेको थियो भन्ने जनाउँछ.
When I saw her, she was reading an interesting story.
जब मैले उनलाई देखे, उनी एउटा रोचक कहानी पढ्दै थिए.
When I reached her house, she was watching television.
जब मैले उसको घरमा पुगे, उसले टिभी हेर्दै थियो.
यसमा एउटा सिम्पल पास्टको प्रयोग हुँदा अर्को पास्ट कन्टिन्युअसको प्रयोग भएको छ.
नम्बर 6. डबल एक्सन. डबल एक्सनमा पहिले समाप्त भएको काम पास्ट पर्फेक्ट र दोस्रो समाप्त भएको काम सिम्पल पास्ट प्रयोग गरिन्छ.
When the doctor arrived, the patient had died.
यस वाक्यमा पेसेन्ट पहिले मर्ने काम भयो र डाक्टर त्यसपछि आउने काम भयो.
When I went to his house, he had gone somewhere else.
जब मैले उसको घर गए, उसले कतै गइसकेको थियो.
नम्बर 7. सेकेन्ड कन्डिसनल. सेकेन्ड कन्डिसनलको प्रयोग अनएक्सपेक्टेड रिजल्ट, ओभर थाउट, हाई ड्रिम, ओभर एम्बिसन इत्यादिमा हुन्छ.
If I were a bird, I would fly in the sky.
यदि म चरा भए आकाशमा उड्थे.
Next example, if I were you, I would buy the house.
यदि म तपाईँ भए म घर किन्ने थे।
If he played the match, he would become a national player.
यदि उसले मैच खेलेको भए ऊ राष्ट्रिय खिलाडी बन्ने थियो।
Number 8. Wish. For example, I wish I had a car. Let's see another example. I wish I won the prize. Number 9. As if or as though मा पनि simple past को प्रयोग गरिन्छ.
For example, he looks as if he was a boss.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment. Goodbye for today.